the 2012 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.